C1, it's mean plain and reinforced concrete 1. Lecture 1, Introduction to Concrete. Concrete is a mixture of Portland cement. Portland cement means ordinary cement, which is available in the market as an ordinary cement or any other hydraulic cement. Is a hydraulic cement having other special properties. They are used depending upon the conditions and especially the temperatures. Where are you using the concrete in cold area or warm area? So depending on that conditions, other hydraulic cement are used. Apart from that, fine aggregates means cement, coarse aggregate sand, and gravels. Gravel means coarse aggregate crushed stone may be used. Water should be clean and it should be free from impurities because it can affect the strength of concrete. Admixtures are the optional. So, and the constituents of concrete: Portland or other hydraulic cement, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate, water, and admixtures, which I already have explained to you all of that. Admixtures, these are optionals that are used in the mixture of concrete. Actually, they enhance the properties of concrete, like they increase the initial setting time of concrete. Sometimes concrete mixture have to travel from one place to another. So if the distance are high, then we have to increase the final setting time of the concrete, maybe initial also. So in that case, relating to these special properties and mixture are used, they are available in the market. So let's go next. Introduction to concrete. Concrete is a manufactured in definite proportion. It means that they are definite and proper proportioning used in the mixture of concrete. Like cement, sand, and aggregate. Aggregate may be coarser, finer may be finer cement. So there are proper ratio of all of these material used in concrete. Like the simple proportion is 1:2:4. In that case, 1 means for cement of 1 ratio will be used, 2 ratio of sand, and 4 ratio of coarse aggregate will be used. And percentage of water is used by weight of the total other aggregate mixture, and mostly 33% of water, 30 to 33% water used in concrete and mixture. Type of concrete: there are many type of concretes, generally depending upon the method of its manufacturing of concrete. There are only 3 types: in situ, pre-cast, pre-stress. In situ means the concrete which is manufactured, placed, and left to set at the site to be placed is called in situ. This type of concrete further divided into 2 types: site-batched, central plant batched. Means that in situ concrete is in situ means at the site. So this kind of concrete is prepared and manufactured at the site. So this is called in situ. There are further is two types: site batched, means the ratio is also measured and batched at the site. Central plant batch means the ratio is not batched at the site, but the preparation of manufacturing of concrete is done at the site. And other second type of concrete is precast. Precast means the concrete which is already manufactured at industry or any other site apart from the construction site, and then it is transported from the industry to the site for placement. So in the industry we may prepare the concrete and allowed to set in a proper shape and size. And next one is pre-stressed concrete, that is high strength concrete which is subjected to tensile forces in advance of its proper setting and placement to produce extra strength in the section. Actually its purpose is to induce the extra strength in the concrete. The steel bars are pre-stressed, it means tensioned. Tensile forces are applied on the steel bars before inducing them to the concrete. So after that they are induced in the concrete, so concrete strength is highly improved. I think today is enough. Next lecture will be uploaded in the next video. Okay, thank you.